Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share how you can convert any website to Figma design in a few minutes. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So create a new design in Figma. Go to plugins and search for HTML to design. Click on Run. Now paste the link of the website. In this case, I will paste the link of the Nike website. Click on Import and wait for a minute or two. Once it's done, you can see that the whole website has been copied and you can customize this design to your liking. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.